Hey, this is Matt Caswell from Multimedia Production Services. Okay, so we set up our project folder and we connected to it, setting our project folder in Premiere Pro. Now, all we have to do is start importing our video files. So let's get started. Click on the Media Browser tab in the lower left of the workspace. This is where we'll navigate to find the raw footage from the camcorder. Under Local Drives, look for your external drive icon. From here, we'll navigate to the subfolder with our video footage. Under your external drive, select your project folder. This is the folder that we organized to contain all our raw footage and source media. Now select the video footage folder from within the project folder. This will contain the folder structure copied directly from the camcorder. Next, find the camera footage folder inside the previous one. Now you'll see the folder and file structure of the camcorder. Now select the private folder we copied over from the camcorder's SD card. Select the AVCHD file. This is the reference file connecting to all your footage. You will see thumbnail previews of all videos recorded on the SD card. Click on the first thumbnail, then use Command A to select all of them. Control-click on the last thumbnail and select Import from the menu. Once imported, clips can now be dragged into the source monitor. This is where you can preview your clips for playback and set your in and out points before being brought into the timeline for editing. Okay, well, I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you need any further instructions, please feel free to reach out to your instructor or check out the help menu options within Premiere Pro. If you have any further IT-related questions, please feel free to reach out to the Worcester State University IT Help Desk.